Why is IKEA and Greyhound a good fit? What made it good together?
That's the same question I asked Michael when he first approached us. He sent us a mail 2 years ago, and when we received the mail, we told ourselves, this is a fake mail. No way that IKEA would contact us to do a collaboration together.
Good designers, they are very much focusing on the same thing, like the form follow function.
Greyhound is about being simple, but with some creative twists.
That's why we also connected with Greyhound. They have a modern, futuristic way of seeing the designs.
The idea is collecting all the things around us in Bangkok that make it interesting. This is coming from the story of Bangkok, of Thailand, where people we make, we use, we adapt and adopt this and that.
And that was what was interesting, because everyone thinks that Asia is what you see in the traditional design, but we are more interested in the new world and the new futuristic way of seeing the design. So therefore, that is more of a global language.
So I ignore it, and then he sent it again. So I start to wonder, is it? Maybe this is a real mail, not a fake mail.